guys, guess what? I have another Misfits Market order, so I thought I would share with you what I got. So I got this big old box. So I'm gonna put my code and the link and everything and some more information down in my description box. I'll also pin it in my comment section. This is a local delivery service. So they do deliver across the United States, just various states and cities. So they don't deliver everywhere. So you would need to check to see if they're available in your location. Now, you know, I'm kind of a cheapskate. So I would say Misfits Market generally, like if you're just ordering normally, they're kind of pricey. But they do have a lot of coupons and stuff. I've been with them for several years, and so I'm on what's known as the Flex plan. So I just order whenever I want to order. So they do have another plan where you are automatically ordering stuff every week. So I do not have that. So you are able to get a Flex plan like me where you don't have to order every week and you don't have to have a membership fee or anything like that. And so the only time I really order, you guys, is when they send me coupons, because they send me deals in my email and they give me codes like this order. I got 50% off this order, and I also have another offer for 50% off my next order if I do it within the next week or so. So anyway, if you are interested, you guys, even though it does look expensive on the surface, they do seem to offer a lot of deals and coupons and things, and then I do think it's worthwhile. So you might want to check it out. The info, all that is there below for you if you want it. I am not an actual, like, they aren't sponsoring this video or anything. I'm just a normal everyday person who orders this, and they do give me discount codes to give out. Just like if you sign up, they're going to give you discount codes to refer to people you know too. So anyway, let's get on with it. Let's see what's in this box. Okay. So in case you've never seen how they pack their stuff, so it is packed like this. It's just an assortment. It's not all fruits and veggies. I think a lot of people think that because they're commercials, that's what they show. They show like the misshapen fruits and veggies and stuff, but they sell a lot more than that. So like, look here, I got this bag of tortilla chips. What is this? Vista Hermosa. I don't know, I've never tried these, but they were a good deal. I needed some corn chips. Yeah, so these are sea salt and non-GMO. These are organic. So I hope these are good. They're probably going to be good. Usually their snack items are what tend to be my favorite items, and they're usually different stuff than I can find in my local stores. Okay, and then I did get some produce. I got some, oh, I have parsley. I think is it organic? It is. Organic parsley. I also have some organic cilantro here. So I also have the celery. And that's a big old bundle of celery here. And see, it looks pretty good. They say Misfits Market, but you know, this stuff looks fine. It's usually just like surplus. I mean, there have been times I've ordered stuff and it's been like misshapen or whatever, but more times than not, that is actually not the case. Okay, and then I also, for produce, I got this. Now, these are not organic. Oh, see, now look. Okay, this is reality. Okay, this one got a little damaged, so I'll be taking a photo of that and sending it to them. They're probably going to refund me. But yeah, so this was actually 2 cucumbers, and yeah, they're not organic. I normally would order organic produce, but this time I didn't, so I'll probably just like cut the skin off and eat the inside like that. I don't know anymore. But anyway, as you can see, one's big, one's small. Yeah, but this one totally got mutilated, so fail. Okay, and then there's just like little pieces of stray parsley and stuff in here. Okay. Oh, and then I also did get this, and this is actually fresh basil. But it's very interesting because it comes, actually, you can see it's still got the dirt on it. Like, I could actually plant this, you guys. I don't know. I'd probably kill it because I'm not good with real plants. but it is living basil, so I like that. And this is organic as well, so I did get that. Okay, and then, okay, so now we have a can. This is, I've ordered this before, so you've probably seen me get this a couple times because I really like it. And it's this Muir Glen. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but this is organic too. This is a chili starter, so it's a pretty big can. I believe this is 28 ounces. So yeah, I was going to make chili, so hence the tortilla chips and cilantro. That's going to be going with that. So I'm happy to have that. And then I also got these tortillas. So these are corn tortillas. These are also organic. I really like these. I keep them frozen until I'm ready to use them. I usually use them for like baked enchiladas, but yeah, I really like these. They have really good flavor. The ingredients are literally just water, organic whole white corn, organic fortified yellow corn masa, trace of lime. Although they have added more ingredients to this because now they contain guar gum, which I find very interesting because they didn't used to have that. So I'm not too happy about that, but it's fine. I'll eat them anyway. But yeah, so I got these. It's like a pack of 8, and I think these are like the 8-inch or 10-inch or something. Okay, and then what else do we have in here? Okay, oh, and then we have our pinto beans for my chili. So these are actually the Misfits Market brand, or yeah, it's their own brand. It's called Odds and Ends. So yeah, so these are just dried pinto beans. I believe this is, yeah, 16 ounces. And yeah, oh, and these are organic pinto beans. So that's nice. I didn't even know these were organic. Okay, awesome. So now I can make some chili. Okay, and then the refrigerated items, usually like dairy or meats or whatever, they put them in these insulated bags when they ship them. And then there's also going to be ice packs in here as well. At least there should be. Yeah, so there's one in here. It's on the bottom, so I'll wait to dig that out. Okay, so they did put my arugula in there. Okay, so I did get some organic baby arugula, so trying to eat a little healthier here, you know. But yeah, so that's good. That's a pretty good container, 5 ounces. Okay, and then I did get this little thing of organic again, Organic Valley half and half. And I also got some Organic Valley sour cream, just like a little container of sour cream for the chili. And I got this cheese. I think I've ordered this every single time I order from Misfits Market because I don't know why, but this cheese tastes so amazing. And it is just a block of cheddar cheese. And again, it's their brand. It's the Odds and Ends sharp cheddar cheese. This is an 8-ounce block. And I don't know why, but their cheese, I love it. Especially this yellow cheddar. I'm usually a white cheddar fan, but yeah, this one's really good. Okay, what else do I have? Oh, I got more cheese. Okay, so I did get this wedge of Parmesan. So this is what? Belgioso, or I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah, so that brand. Yeah, so I've had this before. This one's really good. This is an 8-ounce of Parmesan cheese. So yeah, happy to have that. I'm not sure what I'm making with that, but there it is. I think I'm just gonna like shred it over salads probably. I don't know. Okay, and then I did get a few meat items. Let's see here. This is ground chicken breast. So I'm probably going to make the fajitas with this when I do my fajitas. I already had like the sauce and stuff, so I just needed the corn tortillas and the chicken to put in there. And then I'll probably use up that sour cream for this as well. But yeah, this is 16 ounces, so 1 pound of ground chicken breast. And it's actually called Mission Driven Meat and Seafood. So that's a brand that they sell a lot of, but I've always liked it. I've never had a problem with it. I bought several different meats and stuff from that brand through Misfits. Okay, and it looks like the last thing in here is more chicken. So that is just the diced up chicken breast. And again, that is another 16 ounces, 1 pound. Okay, and then I'll show you the ice pack. So yeah, they put these, so it's an insulated bag that they put all that in. And then it's got this giant ice pack like this in the bottom of it. So you can actually return these items to, if you order a lot from them, you can just, the next week you would just put it out and the driver would take it. But we tend to reuse these ice packs for like coolers and stuff. And then a lot of times we'll reuse these insulated bags as well. And yeah, we might even end up reusing this big box or we'll recycle it. So yeah, it all goes to good use. But that is my order for today, you guys. And again, if you are interested, I would definitely check them out if you've never checked them out before. Now, again, they might not be available in your area, but they are available in quite a few places. I live in a small town, so, hey, they might be available in your area too. And I don't know if this stuff varies depending on your location. I'm kind of thinking it probably does. But yeah, check it out if you're interested. And thanks for joining me today. And I will be back with another video soon. Thanks. Bye.